Thank you for calling Reliable Rooftop Repairs. This is the AI voice assistant on a recorded line. How may I help you?
Hi, I need to schedule an urgent roof repair.
I'll be happy to assist you with that. May I have your full name, please?
It is Jessica Jones.
Thank you, Jessica. Could you please provide the best phone number to contact you? Is it the number you're calling from?
Sure, 650-727-6484.
Thank you. I have noted your contact number as 650-727-6484. What location do you need services in? We cover the following areas: Mecklenburg County, Union County, Cabarrus County, York County, or if it's another location, please let me know.
Mecklenburg County.
Now, could you please specify the type of service you need? We offer roof repair, roof inspection, roof replacement, roof and gutter cleaning, or if there's something else, let me know.
Roof repair.
Thank you for confirming. Could you please provide the address where the roof repair is needed?
Sure, 3639 Rose Road in Charlotte, North Carolina, 28211.
Thank you. Are you planning to use insurance for this repair?
Yes, I think so.
How did you hear about Reliable Rooftop Repairs?
On Google.
I'm now going to transfer you to a human team member to verify your information.
Hi, this is Lizeth from Reliable Rooftop Repairs, and I just need to confirm some information. Am I speaking with Jessica Jones?
Yes, you are.
Great. Hi, Jessica. Can I confirm your phone number is 650-727-6484?
That's right.
Great. And you are looking for a roof repair in Mecklenburg County?
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. So I have the address as 3639 Rose Road, Charlotte, North Carolina, 28211. Is that right?
That's right.
And to confirm, you're planning on using insurance, correct?
That's right.
Okay, great. I'm looking at our calendar and it looks like our first available appointment is tomorrow at 8 a.m. Will that work for you?
Yes.
Okay, that's perfect. I will go ahead and get that scheduled for you. So you will have a technician at your house tomorrow at 8 a.m. And again, that address is 3639 Rose Road, Charlotte, North Carolina, 28211.
That's right.
Okay, great. Thank you so much. I hope you have a great day.
Okay, sounds great. Thank you.